Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, so just slide up to open it, then locate and pick the settings, which are here, and now scroll down or up and select wallpapers and themes. And here you can select either some picture from your gallery, one from the Samsung wallpapers, or you can download some others from some online sources. So let me pick, for example, this one, or actually this is the one that I already have, so maybe the yellow one. And once the picture is selected, you have to decide if you want it to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. So let me pick home and lock screens. Now you can see how it will look like, and if you would like to have them, just tap on Set as Wallpaper. Give your device a few seconds and wallpaper has been applied. So just take a look, the home screen and also the lock screen have been changed. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.